Quick reading for January the 13th to January the 14th, a Cancer. So we have the Ten of Swords, the King of Cups, and the Knight of Swords. So parang ito kasi si Cancer, hindi lang to yung pag-iinarte na ako kasi yung tama, ikaw ang mali. So kasi ang nakikita natin dito, I am waiting no, for you to tell me the truth or for you to at least apologize. Hindi pwedeng babalik ka na lang dito either sa buhay ko, papasok ka dito sa pintuan as if nothing happened. I don't work that way, no? Kasi parang, I don't, although, no, kasi Cancer may be living under the rock in literal form, Cancer, the crab wise, it doesn't mean na tanga, no? Ang nangyayari kasi dito, someone is underestimating, no, the intelligence of a Cancer. This is not it. Kasi ang nakikita natin dito, malambot naman, si Cancer. Meron lang siyang outer core na medyo yung shell niya is medyo hard, and that is protecting themselves. And you have to understand, no, that Cancer is also a water sign, na medyo emotional din 'to. Kaya dapat ipina-pacify yung kanilang emotions. So this is your quick reading, Cancers for January the 13th to January the 14th.
Predicting future is my